Hi guys, my name is Tammy. Welcome to my channel, Tasty Foods. And today I have Raisin Cane's. Yes, I'm doing a chicken strip. And I also have their chicken sandwich. Y'all see their chicken sandwich? Which is both of the same. You know that's all they sell. Their menu is short, nice, and sweet. So how you guys doing today? Y'all already know me and my family say grace off camera. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, go on over there and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you could be notified in and every time I upload a video. So you come on back over here and watch this goodness, the goodness that I have going on. So I'm going to get into this because I'm hungry and I haven't been having a taste for but a couple of days. But every time I made my way to go to Gulfport, y'all, that line is so packed. But it was long today when we went over there, but we waited. We still went in that line, what, about 10 minutes? To the most, even though it was full. They got us on out of there. Sure did. I hope y'all having a lovely day because mine's have. Man. We ain't had no rain today. Thank God it's gone. I enjoy the rain though. I don't care about if it rains. As long as I don't have nowhere to go. Because I don't like driving in the rain. I don't do no driving. And I'm putting some salt and pepper. Because they don't salt and pepper your fries. And I got their special sauce. That's good. That's real good. I bought me a ring light, y'all, so I'm going to set it up tomorrow. I ain't have time today because we already had to come from Cross Day Bridge and I ain't want my food to be cold. Because I don't enjoy no cold food. This is Sprite. I have their tenders, fries, with their bread. I like their Texas toast too. With some coleslaw. And I got extra sauce. Some extra sauces over here. I have him talk about today, so I'm gonna get a little of this in me, then we're gonna get on with the conversation. Cause I'm most definitely hungry. Today I am. Ooh. Cause I want to talk about the subject. What y'all schools are planning on doing? Leave it in the comment if y'all schools have decided to open up everything back when August comes. Oh, they're gonna be doing the virtual schooling, which is, you know, like they was doing homeschooling with the computer and stuff, and the teacher get on there with the kids. Is y'all school saying anything about what they doing because our school is opening back up. But they saying that the kids gonna be going. They're gonna have a set. They're going Monday and Wednesday. Then they're gonna have a set going Tuesday and Thursday. Then they're gonna have some that came in. Them days they're gonna have some come in on a Friday. Then the next Friday, the one that came in the last Friday, they're not gonna come in. It's gonna be some more coming. I don't know. That's kind of crazy. 2 days out of a week. Then 3 days, 1 week. I don't know. They need to offer us virtual school, and I still wouldn't mind doing the whole homeschooling. Plus, if it's still gonna be teaching my kids, and my kids is gonna be safe. Because if the coronavirus still gonna be out there, I do not want my kids to be around another child. Then they're saying that the kids gonna have to wear face masks all day long, wash their hands every 10 minutes and sanitize. How they gonna be teaching? What they gonna be? Look. How y'all gonna have time to teach them every 5 minutes? Y'all get 10 children up to wash their hands. Especially with kindergarten, they gonna get so used to that, it's gonna be hard to get them to settle back down if they know every 10 minutes they finna get up and go wash their hands. And keeping a face mask on. I don't see that happening. I do not see that happening at all. For them to keep it no mask on no child. I mean, the 7th, 8th, and 9th grade are going to get tired of them being on their face at one point. So how you going to keep a kindergartner or a Head Start, a 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grader with a mask on for 7.5 hours? They need to come up with something else. Because I don't see this working out at all. The days don't make sense. Having the kids come to school 2 times out of a week. Their mind's not going to be, unless you, the type of parents, even though your kid's not in school, you still make them read a book. Their mind just gonna be all over the place. This coleslaw good. So I want y'all guys' opinion on that. How y'all think it'll work out? Also, what decision have y'all children's schools have made pertaining to going back in August? Because they're going to have to do something here because I don't think they're going to work out. Not at all. Raising Cane got some good chicken tenders, chicken strips. These chicken strips is good. It sure is. I just don't see them making that happen with them with them smaller children. Not wearing no masks all day. And when they sandwich, it's just a chicken strip sandwich. I thought it probably was a filet or something. But it's just a chicken strip scrambled like with some kind of special sauce. Is it the same sauce? Yeah. But this look more peppery and more spicier. I don't know. But it's just chicken strip soup. And they do nice size chicken strips. Cauliflower, definitely good. That was good. And when you hungry, you want your food to be good. You don't want... I hate when I'm hungry and I order out and the food don't be good. I be mad at myself. I broke the top on that. Ooh, that's Sprite good. Ooh. But I think I'm gonna send an email to our principal or the superintendent. Oh, excuse me, because I have their email address, and I think they need to suggest something else, because we go back with the virtual school learning. But okay, you guys, I really enjoyed coming on here talking to you, and this Raising Cane was good, y'all. It was delicious. So if you haven't subscribed, go on over there and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. And leave a comment below. And tell me how you like this video. And what our schools are doing about these kids going back to school in August. Let your girl know what the other schools is. Maybe I could give my school an idea of what else to do. But I will see you next time. You be back because you will be pleased. So am I. Be blessed.